On behalf of the Kasha based in Dharamsala in India, I would like to extend my heartfelt appreciation to the organizers of 4th Brisbane Festival of Tibet, through which you are making really great efforts to create awareness about Tibet, not just political situation, but also about Tibet's past history, rich culture, civilization, medicine, and various other activities. So thank you very much for organizing this festival. And all those who are attending the festival, please do pay close attention to what's going on in Tibet, its past, its rich cultural heritage, so that you will take a piece of Tibet and Tibetan people with you. And we hope you will remain a friend of Tibet for a long time to come. At this critical juncture of Tibet's history, we need your help and we need your support, because as I speak, you might have heard or read that increasing cases of self-immolation is taking place in Tibet. So far, we have reports that up to 17 or 18 Tibetans have sacrificed themselves, and many have died. And recently, the Chinese authorities have started responding by shooting at Tibetan people just for organizing a peaceful protest in Serta, in Tagore, in Ngaba, and Yarong areas. And we have heard around 6 people have died, and many are injured and some critically. So this is the unfolding tragedy in Tibet, and with sadness, I appeal to you to support the cause of Tibet. Having said that, while you are at the festival, you will see many positive things about Tibet. Tibet is one of the oldest civilizations, has very rich heritage, and Tibet's contribution to the world today will be what we have preserved, Tibetan Buddhism. And what I learned at the festival, some experts are coming and sharing Buddhist philosophy with you. Hopefully, it will generate some love and kindness and compassion in your hearts and minds. And some political activists are coming and sharing their thoughts, through which you will learn some details about Tibet's past and the present situation. And it seems you also have some people who are expert in Tibetan medicine, and various other aspects of Tibet are coming, and through them hopefully you will learn much more about Tibet, and so that when you go back home you will remember not just the unfolding tragedy, but also many positive, beautiful things about Tibet. And as you are well aware, Tibet's environment is very, very important for the rest of the world. 10 major rivers of Asia flow from Tibet, from Yangtze to Mekong to Brahmaputra in India. And Tibet also has third largest ice or snow in the world after Antarctica and Arctic. So it's critically important for the rest of the world. So Tibet issue is not just for Tibet and Tibetan people. It is very important for Asia, and from climate point of view, for the whole world also. So preserving Tibetan culture is very important, because we Tibetans don't want to be a museum piece, or don't want to be just an endangered species in this world. We want to have our civilization, culture, which is very rich, to be a living part of this world. And hopefully you will learn all these things and many more, and remember Tibet and Tibetan people for a long time to come. I thank you for participating in this festival, and hope you will come back next year also. Thank you.